Hi, let's eat my breakfast for today. It's a boiled egg, guys. So yummy. It's a boiled egg. And I have also a orange here. My favorite fruits. A little amount of rice, guys. And I have also a spam here. A little spam. It tastes maalat. A konting maalat siya, guys. So, I only eat a little because it's so maalat. So maalat, guys. So yummy. My breakfast. Sarap. Dahil low budget tayo ngayon, guys, my ulam for today is only a boiled egg. Kasi wala akong pambili ng guys, ng ulam. So, ito lang sapat na yung ating boiled egg. So yummy. Let's eat. Spam, guys. So yummy. So maalat. It's so maalat, guys. Sarap. You know what, guys? I really love boiled egg. One of my favorite every morning. I only eat boiled egg for my diet. For my diet, I only eat egg. And I also love hot dogs, guys, in the morning. My favorite. A jumbo hot dog. I really love it. So yummy. Let's eat. Kunti maalat siya, guys, yung ating spam. Alat. I'm finished. I'm finished na, guys. I'm finished my food. Of course. It's so maalat. Ayan. So, may natira ako, guys. So, mamaya ko na siya ulit kainin. Ayan. Mamayang lunch. Ayan. Ito. I have a fruit here. A orange. I will eat that. Because, this is one of my favorite. Orange. Let's eat. Orange. I love oranges. One of my favorite fruits, orange. Let's eat. So yummy. The taste is so sweet. Ayan, ang tamis nyo, guys. So yummy. Ayan, parang ako, I'm so yummy. Ang sarap nyo, guys. Ang tamis. I love it. So yummy, guys.